Hello guys, so today we are going to learn how to use sequence function, VLOOKUP function and choose function in Excel.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
So we copy our production line items to the other side, then we use the sequence function to create an index numbers for the production line item. So the sequence accepts rows, 4 for the rows. That's we want one column and one to start, and we have one step. So we quickly move to where we want to create our drop down list. We go to data validation list. Then for the source, we select the production line, then OK. Then you can see it's working perfectly. So we want to color the background for it to show that it's receiving a data. So we click and the data shows. So here it comes, we use the VLOOKUP function to reference the index number we created. So the lookup value is the production line, then we anchor it, comma, the table array, both the production line items and the index numbers, comma, then the number or the column number that we want to show, that's the index numbers, and the exact match for it. So we choose false. So let's test it. So we select the item t-shirt 1 shoes, that's the one reference number there, and it's working perfectly. We go to the titles. So we want to reference the title, so equal to and the reference number, it shows the revenue item, that's the revenue. And we want to show the headings, so revenue, shipping cost, and marketing cost and profit to show, and it's working perfectly. So with the totals, the formula for the total is this, where we use the sum function. The sum and the total revenues produced by the production line, so it's equal to 4,535, and working fine. We fill through to the right side, and it's showing the shipping cost and the marketing cost. And with the profit, we use sum, revenue, adding all the negative, that the shipping cost and the marketing cost. So it's already negative, so it should work perfectly. And with the production line, we will use choose. So with the choose, it accepts the index numbers, that's why we created the index numbers. So we go to where we use the VLOOKUP function. So we select the index number and we anchor it so it doesn't move from there, and the values that we want to show if these items are being selected or these production lines are being selected. So first, the t-shirt, hat, shorts and pants. So that is that. It's working fine. So let's fill to the right. So we fill to the right side, and profit is not showing just because we haven't worked the formula for the profit. So here we go upwards, then go and calculate for the formula. So the formula for profit is revenue minus shipping cost minus marketing cost. So I've already negated those costs, so we will just sum them up. So it will give us the calculations. So I think that is that, and it's also, so we fill down. With this time you can use Control D and it will fill down. So it's working perfectly. So with the production line, you can see the production line for t-shirt is formula for contribution margin, which is production line divided by the totals that it have with respect to the production line. So we make that a percentage, so 26% for the production line with regards to revenue. So it contributed 26% to revenue. Okay, so I think it's working perfectly. So let's choose hat, and you could see 11% with regards to revenue. With profit for shorts 23%. Good. So if the company has other expense items, it will include it. That's salary, depreciation, wages, and interest, and it goes further to calculate for the net profit. So this is here I'll end. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, you can put it in the comment section and I'll answer to that. Thank you very much. Follow for more of these videos. Bye bye.